Hello everyone, this is Ezovion mobile app. Here we have two types of login. One is for hospital and another one is for patient. In hospital login, we have different types of login. Doctor can also log in, nurse can also log in, and receptionist also has login. Now I log in as doctor login. For that we have different types of customer ID number for each hospital. I have entering that customer number, and then we have to enter this mobile number. So after entering this mobile number, we have to select a different branch for this particular hospital, and then we have to enter this password. So once we have logged in, we have a home page for this app. So here we have appointment activities, today's appointment, and then quick links, and then IT copy management, and then IT management. And we have this appointment list for video consultation. We have to click on this appointment list. After clicking on this appointment list, we have this today's appointment list. We can also choose a filter for this appointment, and then we have this booked patient, and from here we can check in, check out also. So in the check-in, we already booked an video appointment for this patient Aarti. So if I click on this video icon, then the video call will be started and the patient can join this call. And from here, now I'm clicking on this video icon. So once I click, the video call will be started and patient needs to join this call. So this call is end-to-end encrypted, and we can also mute this call and mute the video, and then we can also switch the front and back camera. And now I'm waiting for the patient to join this call. Once the patient joins, we can communicate with the from mobile itself. So here we have this meeting details. We can able to see doctor's name, patient name, booking date and time. And now the patient has joined this call, and we can communicate via online video appointment. So if I click on this switch off mic, and then the audio will be disabled, and if I click on this video, and then video will be disabled from my end. And also we can also add the prescription for this appointment. If I click on this EHR, then the case sheet will be open. So we can also add prescription, allergy, medical history, like multiple things from here itself. So now I'm going to add this prescription. I'm choosing this medicine name, and then a dosage level, and back when to take them, duration for this paracetamol, and then frequency for this medicine. So advice we have what once they add the medicine will be added in their case sheet. And so this is a process for this video consultation. So from the hospital end. Once we added this data will be updated in the patient login. Patient can also see this case sheet prescription detail from their login. Thank you everyone.